Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Before we go into today's vlog, hear this audio.
इसमें दा संदेश है कि लखनऊ जाने वाली ट्रेन जो जिसमें फिल्म के अंदर पैसा जानता है उसे हम काकुरी में लूटेंगे, काकुरी कबाब खाते खाते लूटेंगे। हाँ, और पैसों से हम खरीदेंगे बम। क्या खरीदेंगे? बम।
This is one of the famous dialogue from the film Rang De Basanti. You may wonder now why I'm speaking about this particular audio. This dialogue is related with our ride today. Don't go anywhere, we will be right back. It was a fine Saturday. After finishing my job, I came back to my room tired and I was taking rest. All of a sudden, I got a call from a friend of mine and he asked whether we can go out or not. Then I thought it's long time since I ventured into the city or I went out of the premises where I live. And now the restriction has been lifted now. I should not say lifted, but it has been eased now. So I thought, okay, let's go for a ride. Still, there are some restrictions here and there. So I thought, okay, let me follow all the precautions. I'll maintain the social distancing. I'll wear mask at all times. There were three others also who were interested in coming out. So my friend said they will come in a car and ask me to take my bike for the ride. We started at around 4:30 in the evening, and also the weather was fantastic that day. Last week it was terribly hot here. Really guys, it was too hot here. But I don't know, all of a sudden the climate has changed now for past around 3-4 days. Now it's bit cloudy and also there were few bouts of drizzles in past 2 days, and the climate right now is also pleasant. It is humid, but it's not too hot. It is okay sort of weather right now. I don't want to keep you guys in suspense. We are going to Malihabad, a small village in the outskirts of Lucknow city. It is around 30 to 35 kilometers from the place where I reside. We know how famous Salem is for mangoes, especially the Malgova variety, which is the best variety of mango that you can get in South India. Similar to Salem, an important and very famous village for mangoes here in UP is Malihabad. They say that a particular variety with the name Dasheri is very famous here and it is very tasty. They even claim it to be the king of mangoes. So I thought I should really try it and give the verdict whether the Dasheri is best or Malgova is the best. Since this village is in proximity to Lucknow city, I thought let me take a short ride. I'll go there directly, buy the mangoes, bring it back to my room. Just before I started my ride, I got a call from another friend. He said he also wanted to come to this area, that is to Malihabad, and purchase mangoes. But he was not there with us at that time. He was somewhere else and he was returning back to Lucknow. So he thought we will meet in an area which is in between Lucknow and Malihabad. After around 10 to 12 kilometers, I thought let me take a break here. And I started to search for a good location so that I can take few photos. Then I came across this place. There was a small stream running with old style bridge over it. This part of India was ruled by Mughals for quite some time, around 400 to 500 years. During this time they built many buildings according to the Arabic architecture, and most of the buildings that you find here are in the Mughal style of architecture. To reach the bridge, we had to get down from the main road and had to travel in a small patch of mud road. From a distance itself, we could see that there are two pillars which are typically built in Mughal style architecture just at the entry of the bridge. Then we inquired about this bridge to few localites who were roaming this side, and they said that before 40 to 50 years this was a common route for the people to enter into the neighboring villages. There was no proper road that time, and the people have to travel via this bridge to enter into the village. And also vehicles were not allowed at that time. It was bullock carts and small cycles were allowed, but once the era of lorries, cars started, they slowly closed this bridge as it would not take the weight of these heavy vehicles. We could see lush greenery on either side of the bridge, and there is this beautiful stream flowing across it. This bridge is also in a very good condition and it's not broken. There is a few damages here and there, but still it's well maintained. This bridge is in a village known as Kakori. It is around 10 to 15 kilometers from the city center. Kakori is also considered as the center of once flourishing Urdu poetry, literature, and Sufi. But this city came into light of the world's history after 9th August 1925, when Indian revolutionaries forcefully snatched the government's treasury from a train. This incident was famously called as Kakori train robbery or Kakori conspiracy case of British period. This robbery was organized by Indian Republican Association. This organization was headed by Mr. Ram Prasad Bismil. He was supported by Ashfaqullah Khan and Chandrasekhar Azad. This organization was established with the main motto of doing revolutionary activities against the British Empire in India with the objective of achieving independence. With this robbery and with the money that they got, they planned to buy weapons as much as possible in order to fight against the British government, because at that time British government had powerful soldiers. Not to say powerful soldiers, they had soldiers with powerful weapons, but Indian revolutionaries did not have weapons at all. So they thought weapons are required for a fight, and a good weapon is always essential for a fight. They stopped a train that was traveling from Shahjahanpur to Lucknow in a place known as Kakori. They successfully looted the government treasury in that particular train. Even though the main aim of this robbery was to get enough money in order to purchase weapons, but what this incident really did was that it created a huge attention among people in and around this particular place to start a fight against British government in the freedom struggle. Oh, finally our friend has arrived now. We have been waiting here for around 10 to 15 minutes, but it was worth the time. In memory of this heroic act by the freedom fighters, a small memorial was built in the nearby village. We will next go to that particular area, then we will head back to Malihabad. This memorial is known by the name Kakori Shahid Smarak. In the year 1983, when Madam Indira Gandhi was Prime Minister of India, she ordered to build this memorial, and later once it was constructed, she came and opened this particular memorial. Now let's hear what Dr. Justin has to say regarding this place.
शहीद स्मारक के आगे इसके बारे में हम ऐसे बोलना चाहिए कि इंडियन वार ऑफ इंडिपेंडेंस में 1926 में 25 में जो अंग्रेज़ों वाले का पैसा चोरी करने का प्लान किया था, जो फेमस जो अपना रंग दे बसंती मूवी में आया था, उसका डायलॉग हम चोरी करेंगे, हम ककोरी का ट्रेन लूटेंगे और पैसा लेंगे, उसका मेमोरी में बनाया गया था। आप बताइए।
ये लखनऊ ज़िले में लखनऊ के पास काकोरी नाम की जगह है, जहाँ पे सन 1925 में इंडियन रिपब्लिकन आर्मी नाम की एक क्रांतिकारी संस्था थी, जिसके नेता थे पंडित राम प्रसाद बिस्मिल। इन लोगों ने मिल करके अंग्रेज़ों का ख़जाना लूटा था। जो ट्रेन बरेली से मुग़ल सराय के लिए जा रही थी, उस ट्रेन में अंग्रेज़ों द्वारा ले जाया जा रहा सरकारी ख़जाना लूटा था, जिससे वो गोला बारूद और कारतूस वगैरह ख़रीद सकें और अपने क्रांतिकारी मिशन को अंजाम दे सकें। उन्हीं की याद में ये सरकार द्वारा बनाया गया है एक स्मारक, जो अभी तो बंद है, पर फिर किसी दिन हम आके इसे अंदर से भी देखें।
Now I have started to Malihabad. Malihabad is around 10 to 15 kilometers from this place, and as we go through the various villages in between, we can find mango orchards on either side of the national highway. And also once I reach Malihabad, I'll tell you regarding the famous things in Malihabad various varieties of mangoes that are available there, and there was a small twist in our plan when we reached Malihabad. To know what it was, wait for the second part of this particular vlog. If you like the content, hit that like, share and subscribe button, and also hit the bell notification icon so that you'll be notified whenever I post a new video. Bye bye, ciao.